Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have a project share. So, it's been sitting a while if it is in a Ziploc bag. I'm in my studio, and it's a one-car garage, insulated with air conditioning, TV, power, all that. But I keep it in Ziploc bags because of the dust and just to keep it all organized in one piece um, until I go to gift it to someone. So this is it, and it is, look at all the extra pieces I have. All these, I have so much fussy cut and extra pieces. I want to do more, but I did this. So I don't have the die with me. I actually do. So this is from Carrie Ann. She lives in Australia, and she owns Shabby Art Boutique. And this is postcards from Paris, and I am in a monthly group with her. And I'm going to find the die while y'all look at that for a second. But I'm in a monthly group with her, and what it is that I'm making a video, honey, be quiet. But what it is once a month I pay $9, and I get, oh my god, hundreds and hundreds of sheets. And I was going to try to show you, this is the die that I used. So it is Anna Griffin, and it is her from the November, and it is a lot of dies, but it's the die Corset, and it is called the Corset Album Kit. And this is the die that I used. There's some more dies in here. Whoops. But it's an album kit, but I only use these two pieces right here. So, yeah, that's on magnetic. But I wanted to show you what I made. So it's got a little dangly here. It's got one layer of lace, two layer of laces. It's got ribbon. These are pink little round things. It's got so much lace right here, like 3 layers. This is a pink frame, and then that is a charm, and I cut the top off to fit right there. It's got a pink resin rose right here. This is all fussy cut and layered and pop dotted. And then it's an album. And then you open it, and then look at the lace. I only did the lace here on the top, on the front, and it's 3-dimensional. But then when you open it, I only put the lace on the bottom. But all this is Carrie Ann's images that I was trying to say that I buy once a month, and it's not just for junk journaling. She makes boxes and all kind of stuff. But then here is a tuck spot, and here's a card that I made to stick in there, and here's little pieces that go with it. There's little postcards and pieces, and then I did lace every other one. So this is, I did use more of the die. This is the photo frame die that came with it, and this slides. Let me see if I can get it, but it's open here, and it's a photo, so you can put an actual person's photo in this. And then the next one, look how this pink trim matches these roses. Is that not the prettiest thing? And then I just used, all my laces is from my stash. So then here's another tuck spot. Look at the roses in the perfume bottles. Is that not cute? And then she makes us the tuck spots already, and all we have to do is cut them out. And then the reason why I used a corset die is because this had corsets in the pattern. And then here is another little card and postcards, all different sizes she gives us. It's over 100 images to fussy cut and use and all. It's just so much. The files are so big, always. I'm never disappointed. And then here's the next one, and then there is the picture frame, and of course it's crooked. Let's see. let me straighten that out. So if I'm going to gift this to someone, I would put a picture of something that's theirs in this, but since these fit, then you know, you're just taking in and out, and it's pop dotted. And then look at this. I was going through my stash and I thought, whoa, those colors match her perfectly. And then of course all of it has trim and lace, but isn't that just wonderful? And then this is one of the images, and so I didn't put a tuck spot on that. And then here is another photo frame that you can slide. It barely slides. You can slide in and out. I don't know why I can't get it straight. Anyway, there's a photo frame here, and then here is another tuck spot with the corsets and the beautiful image here, and here is some different tags, and then here is another card to journal on. So is this a photo frame? Is this a journaling book? I don't know. And then here's another frame, and I put something inside it, and look at the laces and everything and the pom-poms. And then here is the back. So is that not the cutest thing? I thought about putting laces dangling on this, but it was already so big and so much to try to open in thickness that I kind of didn't. I'm considering selling this. I'm considering selling some of my stuff because I have so much. Would anybody be interested in this? I think I'm going to sell it. If you are interested, let me know. Have a blessed day, everybody. I love this. Bye-bye.